Dreaming of a faith-based camp that can transform the lives of teenagers? Imagine a vibrant space filled with laughter, learning, and spiritual growth, where young hearts are inspired and encouraged. In this journey, every step is crucial. So let's dive into how you can create a transformative experience for the next generation. First and foremost, the foundation of your camp begins with prayer. 1 full year before the camp date, carve out dedicated time to seek divine guidance and a clear vision. This isn't just a mere event. It's a spiritual mission that requires earnest prayer and support. By submitting the mission to prayer, you'll shift from mere activities to creating a lasting impact on the young attendees' lives. Visualize them coming together, united in faith and purpose under the spiritual cover you provide through your prayers. Next, gather a passionate team who shares your vision and heart for teenagers. Enlist individuals who can wear multiple hats and bring various skills to your mission. Form a social media group for seamless planning, and ensure everyone is invested in the cause. With a strong team, camaraderie will help fuel the fire of creativity and determination, making challenging tasks manageable. Picture your team working tirelessly, fueled by a shared mission, and supporting each other every step of the way. Once your team is in place, move on to planning the budget. This is where your dreams must meet reality. Outline costs related to venue, food, transportation, security, and activities. A meticulous budget sets the stage for a well-orchestrated camp, preventing last-minute panic and fostering a smooth operation. Imagine your camp running like a well-oiled machine with everything in its place, all thanks to your thoughtful planning. Now set the date and secure your venue as early as possible. These are your camp's anchors, allowing you to begin mobilization efforts. Use an array of promotional tools from flyers to social media outreach to draw in participants, always keeping in mind the need for parental consent. As you build excitement and engagement, envision each teenager feeling a growing anticipation to join their peers in this life-changing experience. Gather resources, form subcommittees, and strategically align tasks in accordance with your timeline. Lastly, create a feedback mechanism to refine your plans. This openness signifies growth and commitment to offering the best camp experience. In closing, these steps are merely the building blocks for crafting a memorable experience. There's much more to be harnessed through engaging programs and mentorship sessions that will propel these teenagers into greatness. What additional elements do you foresee enhancing this transformative journey? Share your ideas in the comments and remember to subscribe for more invaluable insights into organizing impactful faith-based camps.